Hi, it's Rich B and AZ here again. This time I'm going to show you some origami, which I learned many years ago when I was probably about 10 years old. As you can see, I'm a lot older now. I can still kind of remember how to do it. So I'm going to show you how to make a double canoe first, open box, and then a Chinese junk, all from one sheet of paper or a napkin. Napkin is actually the easiest, but it's not going to float. Here we go. Get ready. From a square of paper. Okay, so I lied. Well, I'm going to make it out of this. I've already pre-folded this, but I unfolded it. You start with a square of paper. You fold the corners into the middle. This takes a little longer than I've actually shown, but I'm not going to do it at twice speed. And you fold the corners in again, like that. You fold one side in to the center, you fold the other side in to the center. And you turn it, and you fold this side down in the middle, and then when you bring this side up, you unfold these two corners, pull them apart. Same on the other side. Unfold the two corners, pull them apart. And then you have what's called the double canoe. Okay, here's the next step. From here, we're going to make an open box. You've got to reach in, get this corner, pull it out, like that, fold it down, fold this in, fold this in. Same on the other side. Take this little triangle out here. This is where it helps to be really good at folding. I'm not. Fold it down. And these two thin bits on the top here are the flaps of the open box. So you just push those down like that, put a crease in them. That's what I'm doing, squeezing it all the time. Here I'm creasing it, and then you open it up like this. And you have an open box. Not too shabby, huh? One more step to go. If you want to continue to the Chinese junk, is what it was called back then. You fold the side in, sort of halfway, and push both sides at the same time. It's a little tricky to do. That's why I thought I'd make this video, because it is kind of, especially if you're doing it in paper, because paper gets hard to fold. If you're doing it at a restaurant, you can do this with a nice square napkin. They always seem to have square napkins at restaurants. And you leave your tip in there. In the open box, that is. Right, so I've got that edge folded down like that on both sides. Now you unfold it and put another crease in right where that crease is, right there. Just like that. Same this side. Like that. And then you fold it in half this way. Right. Now comes the fun bit. You're going to pull, if it'll pull. This one's being very reluctant. You're supposed to be able to pull this side out. It's not working. This is just standard printer paper, and it's not really working that well. I will show you the finished result on this one. This is a napkin that I did finish up, and you just pull these out, and you can lift the flaps, and those become the sails, and you can put a pebble in there if you've made one without a hole, and this one will probably float for about a second before it sinks. But there you go. And I'll try and work on this one. Okay, so I did struggle with it a bit, and here's the paper version of the Chinese junk. All from a square of paper.